Hey everyone, it's June and welcome back to my video. Another video of the hair growth challenge. This is week 2 and I'm here up in Pennsylvania. As you can see, my little trail is back. Yeah, my little barbecue. We're getting ready for next weekend, which is Labor Day weekend. So we are up here enjoying some family time for now, and that's it. So I decided while everybody went and did a little venture on the golf cart that I would do an update. Yay! So yeah, I'm here on my deck and there are other trailers surrounding me, so people can actually look over to me and see what I'm doing. But you know what? I don't care. Lola, shh. So people can see what I'm doing. But I figured doing something different, like filming outdoors, you would probably be able to see a better view of my hair, like a better lighting. And so I decided to do it. I don't care if anybody sees. People walk over here all the time. I don't care. So here we go. Okay, so week number 2. So yeah, so I did the neem oil. Well, the last video that I did straight neem oil, and for some reason I guess massaging my head and just opening up those pores and putting the neem oil directly onto my scalp kind of like irritated my scalp, because my scalp is very sensitive. So I decided the second time around, which is a few days after that, to do neem oil and castor oil. So I've been doing the Palma Christi castor oil excuse me, Palma Christi castor oil, and it seemed to go on really good. And I'm also using the moringa oil on my face. I did a video on that. Everything will be linked up. You will see, no, actually it's on this side. You'll see, anytime you see a card pop up this way, that can take you to another one of my videos. So throughout this video, you'll see little cards pop up. If you want to go back to when I first started, then first started the challenge, then you can click there. There'll also be other challenges that I've done in the past. If you're interested in that as well, feel free to click any of those cards during this video. So let's get down into it. Let's go down into it. Yay. Oh, I feel so good out here. I hope that you guys can see this. I actually feel, look, the lady across is watching me. I actually feel that my hair is growing. It's not going to be a lot. I mean, it's only 2 weeks, and I know it takes a lot longer than that. I'm going to be realistic, but I'm going to be realistic with this. So I'm just going to show you, and you guys let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know if you see a difference, if you don't see a difference. I'm sticking to it because my scalp feels much more healthier than it has been. It feels very clean. My hair itself just feels more healthier, and to me that's great. And it also feels very strong. So here we go. My neighbor across the street can see me completely taking this out. I hope my sister and her crew don't come up here. And also, if you want to know where to find these little clip-ins that I'm going to show you right now, there'll be a card right up here. You can click it. Okay, so this is it. Okay. So I have to tell you, my hair feels thicker. No joke, my hair feels thicker. Now, I am going to show you up close. Oh, there's little flies and stuff. I'm going to show you. I'm going to stay like this. And I'm just going to keep parting my hair. Going close. Going close. This is also supposed to stop the grays from coming in. So I did dye my hair, I think it was last week. I did that in the other video. So I want to see how long it actually takes for my hair to start growing, because my grays usually come in very quickly. So we'll be checking that too, because for those of you who don't need to actually grow your hair, this might be good for you for grays. So there's different benefits to the neem oil. Yeah, so I'm going to turn around so you can see. And that's it. So yeah, I'm excited because I really feel like it's going to work. So every night when I'm watching TV, I now get into a routine of massaging my head. So I take my little piece out and I just start massaging. When I shampoo my hair, I put a couple of drops of the neem oil in the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm getting even more, you know, neem oil into my my scalp. Stop, Lola, stop. I'm filming. So every chance you get, just massage your head. It's not going to hurt. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't want to do it with your nails or with a comb, just do it with the pads of your fingers and just get it going. Get it going. I'm telling you, it makes a difference in how your scalp feels. Like I feel like little tingles. It feels like something's happening. Yeah, so you see, like right now, I'm out in the open. I'm going to massage my hair. I'm going to massage and massage. So my daughter actually I took my daughter to the dermatologist, and she has what's called, it's very common, it's called flatwarts on her forehead. And I asked the dermatologist if neem oil, like, because I told him what I'm doing because he takes care of my scalp. So I told him that I was doing neem oil. He said he's heard of neem oil and great benefits. So I asked him about her flatwarts, and he said you can most definitely do it, but research it first. So I am going to research on that. My daughter doesn't like the smell of straight neem oil on her hair. We tried it before and she's like, I can't. So she definitely needs a different she needs a carrier oil to go with it. So I was figuring, because tea tree oil is so good for even like acne, just everything. I was thinking of putting tea tree oil in with the neem oil for the flatwarts and for her acne and all that. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put my little thing in right now. Well, oh God, these kids across the street are probably going, what is this lady doing? This is why I love these pieces. You know, come on, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So, yeah. So tonight, I'm going to put more neem oil. I took it with me to Pennsylvania. I am not traveling without it. So I'll be doing the neem oil. Look at that. You can't tell that I got hair loss, right, guys? So, yeah. So I'm going to put the neem oil in tonight. I'm going to put the what do you call it, with the castor oil, and I'm going to put a shower cap on. I'm going to watch a little TV, then I'll shampoo, conditioner. I brought my shampoo and my conditioner. Yeah, so I'm excited. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're doing. Are you doing the neem oil? Are you doing are you like mixing it with extra virgin olive oil? Are you doing it with anything? Are you still doing the castor oil, egg, and honey? What are you doing? I'm really interested, and I want to know your results. And that's all for now. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be next Friday. So this is week 2. Look out for week 3 coming soon. Okay, guys? Bye.